Blending words with o, ka, ok. This is O, and in phonic O sounds like O. This is C, and in phonic C sounds like ka. And this is K, and in phonic K also sounds like ka. Both are ka. O, ka, ok. O, ka, ok. This is a picture of rock. O, ka, ok. This is alphabet R, and in phonic R sounds like R. So all together we will say O, ka, ok, R, ok, rock. Rock means pathor. O, ka, ok, R, ok, rock. Rock means pathor. This is a picture of lock. O, ka, ok. This is L, and in phonic L sounds like L. All together, O, ka, ok, L, ok, lock. Lock means tala. O, ka, ok, L, ok, lock. Lock means tala. This is a picture of sock. O, ka, ok, ok, sock. O, ka, ok, ok, sock. S sounds like S. Sock means moja. O, ka, ok, ok, sock. Sock means moja. This is picture of clock. Ka, la, kla. This is C, and C sounds like ka, and this is L, and in phonic L sounds like L. So all together, ka, la, kla. And this is O, ka, ok. Kla, ok, clock. This is a little bit tricky one to spell, but when you will practice more and more, you will get used to it. Ka, la, kla, O, ka, ok. Kla, ok, clock. Clock means ghori. Ka, la, kla, O, ka, ok. Kla, ok, clock. Clock means ghori. One more time. Ka, la, kla. O, ka, ok. Kla, ok, clock. Clock means ghori. Underline the names of the picture. This is rock. First one is O, ka, ok, R, ok, rock. Underline the first one. This is lock. L, O, ka, ok, L, ok, lock. Underline the second one. This is sock. O, ka, ok, ok, sock. Underline the third one. This is clock. Ka, la, kla, O, ka, ok. Kla, ok, clock. Underline the last one. Join the words. This is O, ka, ok. First one, R, ok, rock. Rock means pathor. O, ka, ok, L, ok, lock. Lock means tala. O, ka, ok, ok, sock. Sock means moja. Ka, la, kla, O, ka, ok, kla, ok, clock. Clock means ghori. This is a picture of rock. O, ka, ok is already here. So let's put only R in this blank. R, ok, rock. This is lock. O, ka, ok, L, ok, lock. This is sock. So O, ka, ok, only S is missing. Let's put S in this blank. S, ok, sock. Now it's completed. This is clock. Ka, la, kla, O, ka, ok. Kla, ok, clock. Only put ka, la, kla in this blank.